Welcome. In this video, we will talk about why dynamic URLs are not ideal for SEO. We will explore what they are, why search engines don't like them, and how you can create SEO-friendly alternatives. A dynamic URL is generated automatically by a website from a database. They often contain symbols like question mark, equal to, and, or numbers. Example is example.com/products ID equal to 123 and CAT equal to 4. Static URLs are short, keyword-rich, and easy to read, like example.com/SEO-tips. Dynamic URLs are long, complex, and often meaningless to humans. Dynamic URLs are hard to read, remember, or share. Users prefer clean URLs that clearly describes the page content. Search engines use keywords in URLs as a ranking factor. Dynamic URLs usually lack relevant keywords, making them less SEO-friendly. Dynamic URLs can create multiple variations of the same page, leading to duplicate content problems and wasted crawl budget. Long, messy URLs look suspicious to users, which can reduce click-through rate from search results and social media shares. Search engines may have difficulty crawling and indexing overly complex URLs, especially if they contain many parameters. Instead of example.com's ID equal to 123, use example.com/SEO-tips. This improves SEO, make URLs user-friendly, and boost brand trust. If parameters are necessary, use canonical tags to tell search engines which version is the main page. This helps avoid duplicate content issues. To sum up, dynamic URLs are messy and hurt SEO, whereas static URLs are clean, keyword-rich, and preferred by Google. Use canonical tags when parameters are unavoidable. Thanks for watching. Review your site URLs today and replace dynamic ones with SEO-friendly static URLs. Like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.